Hello friends, you most welcome in my YouTube channels Tricks with Gobi, and today we will learn how to enable ambient display features in on Android device. So first of all, we know about ambient display Android features. So guys, you can see view all your notifications from your Android device without unlockings. Whenever you get any notifications, then your Android device automatically on, and you can see your notifications on your screen, on your phone screens, without unlocking. So guys, this features is now available only in Galaxy's S7 Edge. You can see these tutorials, and you can also add these features in your Android device. So guys, this is very popular features for Android devices. So let us see and follow this step. First of all, you download a app from Google Play Store's AC Display. Open your Google Play Store and download AC Display. After download, you open this app and open. You can see here a option off. Now click here. You require to permission device admins and notifications. Click on device admin and click on active. After this, you can click here notifications and click here AC display. Click here AC display, go to back, and you turn on. Now if you use pattern locks or another security, then please go to settings and open lock screens here. Click here and open this, and now you can see here that's all my notifications is available. Opera, news, Amazon shoppings, my wallets, all things you can see here. So please guys, if you like this video, then share my video and please subscribe my channels. Thank you for watching.